Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. So first we're going to go to Wamp, we're going to go to your virtual hosts, and we're going to go to virtual host management. Alright, now we're going to add a new virtual host. So we're going to enter the domain name. We're going to use test.com in this case. Right, now we're going to go to our www folder for Wamp. So that's going to be in localhost Wamp64 www, and now we're going to create test.com. Alright, now that we have test.com in this folder, we're going to create a file called test.txt, and in this file we're just going to say working for now. We're just going to test our virtual host is successful. Oh, and then we're going to copy the address of the folder of test.com, which will be c164 www.test.com. We're going to place it in the absolute path, and we're going to start the creation of our virtual host. After it's created successfully, we're going to restart Wamp. Okay, so just click on Wamp and restart all services. Alright, now if we should go to test.com /tst/test.txt, and we should see working. Oh wait, yeah, Wamp just restarted. There we go, working. So that's great. Now, so since our virtual host is created, now we're going to navigate to GitHub and find the Wordpress Git repository. Okay, Wordpress GitHub. Okay, let's Google it. That's easier. Wordpress GitHub. Okay, I'm gonna click on Wordpress GitHub, the first link. We're gonna clone this repository. We're gonna copy that. Then in our test.com folder, we're gonna right click and we're gonna use git bash, or use any terminal that you guys like using. We're gonna say git clone, then I'm gonna say shift plus insert and a full stop to clone it into this directory. But let's get rid of test.txt first, otherwise Git wouldn't clone into a directory that already has a file in it. I'm gonna press enter, and now we're cloning the Wordpress GitHub repository. Alright, this may take a while, so now that I've sped that up, we'll just wait for this to resolve all its deltas, and we'll check out the files, and we should have all of the WordPress GitHub repository on our local host. Okay, there we go, we have all the files now. Now if we should just go to localhost /phpMyAdmin, we're going to create a new database for a new WordPress project. Alright, so we're going to log in with the root credentials, root, no password. Alright, new database, and we're going to call this test, I guess. Create. Alright, we can see that the tables are empty. Well, there are no tables. Okay, remove test.txt. And now if Apache has finished restarting, we should have the WordPress configuration screen. There we go. Now we're just going to follow the instructions on the screen. We're going to say continue, let's go. For database name, we just call that test. Username root, password, it was empty. We're going to leave all these at default for now. Submit. Now we're going to run the installation. We'll just call this test. We'll use Jaguar09, why not? Password, we'll just keep that as is, and we'll just enter an email. This is not actually a real email. k@gmail.com, I guess. And now we'll just install WordPress. Alright, and there we go. We've successfully installed WordPress. Now we're gonna log in. Okay, remember me, why not? Log in. And now we should be seeing our WordPress dashboard. Now if you want to see our actual site, we can just go to visit site up here, and there you have it. We have successfully installed WordPress on our local host using Wamp and Git. Thanks for watching, guys.